Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to upgrade Country Queue and 8 Ball Pool. I was exploring 8 Ball Pool the other day and noticed that the different country queues sitting in the queue collection, which got me curious about how upgrading them actually works. So I opened the queue section at the top of the game, then switch over to the area where all the queues are listed. From there, you can browse the different country queues available and see which ones you already own. Once you've picked up one, upgrading it works pretty much the same way as upgrading any other queue in the game. I went into the Own Queue section, found a queue I wanted to improve, and when the queue is eligible for an upgrade, the game shows an upgrade option right there on the screen. At that point, it's just a matter of paying the coins required, confirming the upgrade, and the queue stats increase immediately. Honestly, it's a quick process, but upgrading your queues can make a noticeable difference when you're trying to line up those tricky shots. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.